Students, class 8, chapter number 4, practical geometry, exercise 4.1. In the previous video, we have already discussed about basic of the construction, in which we discuss about how can we use divider, how can we use set square, how can we draw perpendicular bisector, and how can we draw angles with the help of compass. So now we start exercise 4.1. In the exercise 4.1, firstly, we discuss question number 1 and question number 1 first part. The question contains total 4 parts. So what is the question number 1 first part? A quadrilateral ABCD. We have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB, BC, CD, AD and AC. These measurements are given and we have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure according to the given measurement. Suppose we have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to draw a rough figure A, B, C, D. And now we represent its measurement. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. CD equal to 4 centimeter. AD equal to 6 centimeter. AC equal to 7 centimeter. So we join A to C and its value is 7 centimeter. So according to the given measurement, we have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay students, now we start construction of quadrilateral ABCD. So firstly we have to draw a line segment AB 4.5 centimeter. So to draw line segment AB, firstly we mark two endpoints. First at 0 and second at 4.5 and join these two endpoints. So it is a line segment AB 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter which cut each other at point C with the help of compass. So in the compass we take the distance 5.5 centimeter and put the compass at B, draw an arc, and now we take the distance 7 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at A, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. So it is a point C. Rub extra arc and now we join B to C and A to C. In which BC is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. Now we have to construct line segment CD 4 centimeter and AD 6 centimeter with the help of compass. So we take distance 4 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at C, draw an arc. Now we take distance 6 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at A, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point D. Join A to D and C to D. In which CD is 4 centimeter and AD is 6 centimeter. So finally ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So I sure the question number 1 first part is clear. Try it. Okay students, now we discuss its second part. In the second part, we have to draw a quadrilateral JUMP in which measurements are given. So according to the given measurement, firstly we draw a rough figure, and after this we have to construct a quadrilateral JUMP. Okay students, so it is a rough figure JUMP in which JU 3.5, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, PJ 4.5 centimeter and PU 6.5 centimeter. So how can we construct this quadrilateral JUMP? So we have to construct this quadrilateral JUMP like first part, because in the first part there is same condition, यानी कि चारों साइड गिवन थी एंड लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल इज ऑल्सो गिवन. So like first part, you have to try second part yourself, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. So just try yourself. Okay students, now we discuss its third part. In the third part, parallelogram more and its measurement as given. So firstly with the given measurement we have to draw a rough figure, and after this we construct a parallelogram MORE. Okay student, so it is a rough figure according to the given measurement. Parallelogram MORE in which OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then how we construct this parallelogram? So study it. In a parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal. So if ER equal to 4.5 centimeters, so MO also 4.5 centimeter, and RO equal to 6 centimeter, then EM also 6 centimeter, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So MO is equal to ER is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EM is equal to RO is equal to 6 centimeter. So its construction can be done same first part. Firstly we draw MO. With the help of compass we mark 6 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, which cut each other E, and then marks 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter which cut each other at R. Then we construct a quadrilateral parallelogram MORE. So its third part also try self, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Okay students, now we discuss its fourth part. In the fourth part we have to draw a rhombus BEST in which BE 4.5 centimeter and ET 6 centimeter. So firstly we draw its rough figure. Okay student, we draw its rough figure BEST in which BE equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET equal to 6 centimeter. And in a rhombus we know that all sides are equal, so its all sides are 4.5 centimeter. In a rhombus all sides are equal. In a rhombus all sides are equal. It's mean BE, ES, TS and BT हर एक की वैल्यू 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो इट्स मीन the construction of quadrilateral या parallelogram BEST can be done like first, second or third part. So it is also try yourself, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Okay students, now we discuss exercise 4.2. In the exercise 4.2 we have to construct the following quadrilateral in which a quadrilateral LIFT and some measurements are given. So firstly with the help of measurement we have to draw a rough figure, and after this we have to consider how can we construct the quadrilateral LIFT. Okay students, according to given question we have to consider a rough figure LIFT, in which you observe that LI equal to 4 centimeter, IF equal to 3 centimeter, TL equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT equal to 4 centimeter. So now we have to draw a quadrilateral LIFT with the help of rough figure. Okay students, now we have to construct quadrilateral LIFT. So firstly we have to draw LI 4 centimeter. So firstly we have to mark two endpoints. First at 0 and another at 4, and join these two endpoints. So it is a line segment LI whose measurement is 4 centimeter. Now we have to draw an arc of 3 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter, जिससे कि हमारे पास पॉइंट F कंसीडर हो जाएगा. So we take distance 3 centimeter in the compass. Taking distance 3 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at I, draw an arc. Now we take distance 4.5 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at L, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at F. Join I to F and F to L. Okay, now we have to draw an arc of 2.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Both arcs cut each other at point T. So we take distance 2.5 centimeter in the compass put the compass at L, draw an arc. Now we take distance 4 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc which cut the just previous arc at T. Now join to T to L and T to Y and T to F also. So finally LIFT, its measurement 3 centimeter, its measurement 4.5 centimeter, its measurement 2.5 centimeter, and its measurement 4 centimeter. So finally LIFT is a required quadrilateral. So I sure the first part is clear. Just try it. And in the next video we continue exercise 4.2. Thank you very much.